Now that you've installed WordPress, now we're going to take a look at the WordPress dashboard. So, in your navigation bar, I want you to type this. I want you to type in your website name. So, website.com or .org, whatever your website is, type it in. And then at the very end, put slash WordPress admin. Once you enter that right there, I want you to hit enter, and it's going to take you to this page right here. And then when you get here, I want you to type in your credentials and then log in for me. And it's going to bring you to the WordPress dashboard. Now, really, what you're seeing right here is the WordPress dashboard, the default WordPress dashboard. So I wanted to give you a general rundown of what you're seeing here. First, on the left-hand side, you have the Welcome tab. And if these are collapsed, you're welcome to hit that little arrow and expand it out for me. Or you can leave them collapsed, whatever you choose, really. I'm going to expand them so you can see the content easily. If it's expanded like this, you can click it, and then how that pops out right here, when you click it, it'll just drop down below the Mother tab. So you have Welcome, and if you click through these, it's going to give you a lot of information on what you can expect out of WordPress. Dashboard. This is where it's always going to come whenever you first log in. And what you're seeing here is a general overview of your website, such as right now is one post, you've made one page, you have one category that exists, you have one comment that exists, which you can see right here. Keep in mind you can move these around however you want, but this is the default. You can see what theme you're using, what WordPress version you're using. This could be important when you're trying to get feedback. When it comes to comments, you can approve them, say they're spam or trash them right here. So overall, this is just the general overview of your website. Here you can make a quick press or a quick post. I normally don't even use that. Posts, the difference between a post and a page. A post is what you see on a blog. Imagine one page and it's just one entry on the very top. That's going to be there until they make a new post, which will drop that one down and the new one will go above it. Well, each time you make a post, it's just going to add it here, and then another one's going to be added above that one, and then another one. So it's just going to keep going and going and going. And you click add new pretty much, and you enter it right here. And then once you post it, it's going to come right here, and that's posts. Media is where you're going to add things like videos, images, stuff like that, stuff you want to put in pages and posts. Pages, on the other hand, are different from posts, obviously. Pages are things like an about page on a website, a products page, or a contact us page, an information page, stuff like that. It's actual pages. And just like post, when you create a new one, it's just going to appear right here, one right after the other. And you could easily hover over it and trash it, edit it, whatever you want to do. Comments. When people come in to your website, if you want them to leave feedback to a post you made or to one of your pages or another user's comment, here you can either reply to it from right back here. You can unapprove it so it doesn't show up, or you can trash it to where it doesn't show up at all and you just get rid of it permanently and call it spam, or even edit their comment if you want. But those are the tools they offer for comments, how you moderate your comments on your website. Appearance has a ton. This is There's a lot of tools when it comes to appearance. Themes. You can install new themes and put in or check whatever you'd like on a theme. Check it here, and then search, and then pick a pre-made theme that people have made. You can click like the newest. This will show you the newest ones people have made and uploaded that you can choose from for your website. And then once you upload those, you can ultimately customize them, add widgets to them. The menus, such as like the navigation bar, we're going to deal with those here. Modify the header. And then plugins. Plugins are basically additional tools you're going to add to WordPress to perform a new action. Uh, and there's thousands of those, and we're going to go through what they are and how you search for them and add them and use them. Then you have like users. This is how you're going to manage the different users that come to your website and sign up. Depending on how you want your users to interact with your website, or even if you want users at all, this is where you manage them. tools. That's things like if you want to back up your website, you want to export it and then import it to a new website that you've created. This is the tools you would generally go to, and depending on what kind of plugins and stuff you add to your WordPress, these lists can actually expand and go a lot more. Settings. This is going to be where you're going to add things like the title of your website, the tagline. It's also going to change how your links look when people copy it from the navigation bar. You're also going to include whether you want like an excerpt or a full post, and we'll learn the difference between those. How many posts you want to show on your home page, what page you want to show as your home page, and stuff like that. So that's a general overview of what the dashboard is. And we're going to go over each one of these in great detail and learn what each one can do, the ins and outs of them. And so I look forward to seeing you in the next video and where we learn some more.